A short meditation can change your mood, your day, and even your life. Sit back, settle in, and join me now. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and relax. Allow yourself to fully connect with your body through your breath. Feel it come into your mouth and down into your lungs. Feel your entire body, all of your skin. Feel the celebration within you, the joy of connecting to something greater than yourself. Bring to mind the special event or accomplishment that you are celebrating today. If nothing jumps out at you, then pick the smallest thing. Even that you woke up today, you drank clean water, you came to do this meditation. Let yourself feel the pleasure and satisfaction of having achieved your goal. Breathe in and out. Feel how it resonates through you with energy and vitality. Breathe in and out. Acknowledge any feelings of fear or doubt and let them go as you sink further into relaxation. Release any negative emotions, thoughts, or worries that are present in this moment, knowing that only good things can come from here on out, if you choose, in your mind. Now bring forth a sense of gratitude for all that has brought you here today, all that has helped shape who you are and where you are in life. Do not compare yourself to anyone else. Take this moment to reflect on the joys and challenges that have brought you to this point. Breathe in and out. Allow your heart to be filled with love, peace, and appreciation for all that is present in your life right now. Feel it move throughout your entire body, through all of your parts, across your skin, in through your lungs, and out through your breath. When you are ready, open your eyes, feeling refreshed and centered, knowing that today will be a day of celebration. Enjoy.